Hi,
Hi.
I'm going to show you some magic today.
Are you really?
Yes, let's start.
Okay. Please be careful. I get safety first.
Okay. Here's your glasses.
Thanks.
Wow, it's very crazy.
Wow.
Crazy, huh?
Yes. What a nice magic.
Are you ready to do the next challenge?
Yes.
Float the coins
Okay.
like this.
Okay.
Your turn.
I did it.
If you float the coin, you will lose.
Ready, steady, go!
Go down, go down,
No, go no.
go down into his side.
No, go.
Yes side. Go on this side. Go away. You
Don't
It's coming your side again.
Okay, I'll catch.
Don't catch it. Just throw it.
Okay.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Ping.
Not yet.
Yeah, boy. Not that fast.
That's what is real.
Okay, you are going down. You are going down. I said you are going down. Go away. Go away. Oh, why do you fold it?
Oh my goodness, this is really crazy.
You are going down now.
Oh! Wow, no.
Don't hit it very fast.
Okay, it's just a little stupid. Okay, first.
Come here. This is the nice place.
No,
Bye. Don't come
Come
my
here.
way.
it's really nice and cozy.
I should. Ah. Oh man. Ding. The bell is ringing. Coming. Oh no.
Go that side. Thanks.
Not this side. I will help you to shrink it. Put it in the water. Put it in the water. Then you can see.
Wow.
Do it together. Okay. Look.
Wow.
Oh. Look carefully. Look what the magic happened.
Wow.
Oh. It's your turn now. Look carefully. Look. Wow. It's how his mouth.
Yeah, I found some leaves. Bats. Let's go next one. Ah.
Three, two, one, go.
Start!
Wow, incredible.
Wow.
That's very nice. Look, floats very crazy. Wow,
Come here.
it's going slowly. Wow,
My one is
this is impressive. It looks like a castle or a tower. Wow, it made it even more crazy.
I'm going to show this magic. Do you see no doors? Try for daddy experiments.
Be sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.